Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aditya Ajit Lutade. I am here with my Arduino assignment. This is my Arduino assignment where I have made a 3x5 display shield. You can see my name is being displayed on it. Now let's go with this schematic diagram and the breadboard view. So here is the schematic view of my shield. I have used a Arduino Uno board version 3 where I have connected 15 different LEDs to the digital and some analog pins. Analog pins because I have not used as them as the analog input, but I have used those analog pins as the digital output pins. You can see different pins are connected from A5 to D5 to D13, that is digital pin 5 to digital 13, and A0 to A4, that is analog pins A0 to A4. I have used blue color LEDs as I have made a 3x5 display. There will be total 15 different LEDs. All 15 LEDs are being common grounded with a resistor in series just to limit the current. Here is my breadboard view. Here you can see I have implemented 15 different LEDs with a common ground and a resistor in series with the ground, and then ground is connected to the Arduino Uno board. Different LED anode connections are taken from the analog pins as well as here from the digital pins. Here is the sketch I have written to display different characters whatever I write on the serial monitor of the display, on my serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. So let's see one by one what this sketch does. Here I have initialized an integer named delay time just to manage the delay between displaying two different letters or numbers. Then there is an array named LED where I have written different pin numbers where all my LEDs are connected. They are total 15 in number. Just come to the setup part. Here for loop defines each and every pin of that LED array as the output. This for loop I have used just to test the shield by turning all the LEDs on for some time, say for 200 to 1000 milliseconds, and then next for loop I have used just to to turn off all those LEDs. This serial begin helps me to begin the serial communication between my Arduino IDE and my Arduino board. I need the serial communication to transfer my data from the serial monitor to my Arduino. This 9600 defines the baud rate. Coming to the loop, I have used a while condition where I have written serial available. This serial available tells me if I have got any data on my serial buffer. If that condition goes true, then the program jumps into the while loop and start executing whatever is written in that while loop. So here we have written character. I have defined a character name input value where I am saving the serial data whichever is coming on the serial monitor by using the serial read instruction. Then I have just to check whatever I have written is being displayed or not one by one, I have used serial println this input val character just to check whatever I have written is being correctly displayed one by one on the serial monitor or not. Now as I am getting serial data on my input value character, I need to check whether that data received is a character, is a number, or whatever it is. So using if else conditions, I have defined many conditions for if and else. Just for example, first say this: if I have checked if there is a space, if there is a space or not. If I get a space, I'll call a space named method, or you can say function, and then I have defined a delay with a delay time which is defined at the topmost of the sketch. Then if I get input value as 0, then I'll call number 0 named method, which I have defined at the bottommost, which I'll tell you further. Just like for 1, I have named a number 1 method. You can see for every 4, 5, 6, 7, I have called different name of method. So let's see what is included in this method. You can also see I have done for this for letters also. If my input is small alphabet, even though it is displayed, I have used this OR condition. If I get a O, just like for example here, if I get a small o or a capital O, the same method will be called to display. And in else, I have written a error statement cause I haven't given any support for the different symbols. I have just given support for alphabets, numbers and spaces. So this error will tell the user that they can't display different characters rather than the alphabet, numbers and the spaces. So here are the display codes. Display codes are nothing but the codes I have written. I have turned on LEDs whichever I need to display that number 0. Number 0 needs to display this much amount of LEDs. Just like number 1 needs this all numbers of LEDs to be turned on and some of them to be turned off. I have written this for all the codes for 0 to 9 and from A to F, and also for the space. For the space I have just turned off all the LEDs for my convenience. And that's it. That was all about my sketch. So now let's see how the shield is working. I have opened the serial monitor of my Arduino IDE, where I am gonna write all the alphabets from A to Z. And then a space, and then all the letter numbers from 0 to 9. I just need to send this data by pressing enter to my Arduino board. This data will act as a serial data for my Arduino. It will take all this data and display it on my shield. So here it go. You can also see that all these alphabets are also being displayed on my serial monitor. I have done this, as I told, I have done this just to test whether my program is going correctly or not. The program is going from 0 to 9 now. All the alphabets are being displayed, and when there was all the LEDs were off, it was defined as space. Thank you. That was all about my Arduino assignment, where I have made 3x5 display with blue color LEDs. Thank you.